I wonder if you all realize that these two friendly international games in Saudi Arabia are in danger of not being played because of still outstanding money issues between the JFF and the players. My information is that the JFF offered the players X each per game. The players said, no, we want Y each per game. Now, if the JFF bow, game on. If the JFF don't bow, games might well be off. And more international embarrassment for Jamaica. And look, there are two sides to the story. One is the now notorious incompetence of the JFF. The next one is the commitment of the players. International football, especially representing a poor country with a broke federation like Jamaica, cannot be about making money. It's more about getting international caps, improving your resume with the hope that bigger clubs and better contracts will come. So I am not in support of players sticking up or pauperized JFF for money. My biggest concern in all of this is that if it must happen, it is happening now, in the crucial period when we should be fine-tuning preparation for the World Cup qualifiers and ahead of what will likely be the last warm-up games before the qualifiers. We're having all this instability and volatility when we should be fully settled and focused. Right now, we should have zoom in, zoom in, yes, instead, Syria, all over the place, yes, Syria, we're all over the place.